Hello everyone. So now I am going to be show you the live cooking the papad, how crispy and crunchy can make it in oven. Okay. So for that I have brought one papad. So what I'll do, I have placed the papad over here. Okay. So now I am closing it. So I'll be keeping it as in medium low and will keep for 2 minutes. It will start. So you can see inside the papad how it is getting from the heat wave. It start creating cooking. You can see the process is happening. It will be 360 degrees rotating through turntable. So you can see process is happening. Yes, now we will stop it. Before opening it, we have to be kept it in 0. The dong bell will come, then you open the door and you can see the papad is ready. It is very crispy and crunchy. Thank you.